familiar with this. Is anyone familiar with the boost model feedback? Thank you, Tony. I could not, I've dedicated an entire chapter to feedback, the penultimate chapter in my book, because I think it's so important and it matters so much. I couldn't find the origin of boost. Tony, can you remember what any of the letters stand for, or do any of you want to have a guess?
Balanced, objective, can't remember what the other O is.
Observable, I always get stuck on one of the O's.
Yeah, can't remember the S, and timely is the T.
Yes, specific. And we're very fortunate in the PSA because the feedback's always timely. Balanced is about having a good mixture of what's good and what can be improved. I'm just going to grab my water. Apologies. Observable, is it something that you can see? Or is it something you're remembering from a different meeting of the person that you've noticed? It has to be observable in that moment. Is it objective? Is it something that's a bugbear for you? Or could several people in the room reasonably notice that? And specific, we've already covered under the 3 S's of appreciation. So just to recap, those 5 letters stand for balanced, objective, observable, specific, and timely. Make sure it boosts the recipient.